Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce from fresh peppers. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite fresh peppers, like habaneros or jalapenos, along with 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, homemade hot sauce. Make sure your peppers are ripe and vibrant for the best flavor profile. Now, let's get cooking. Start by washing your peppers thoroughly. You can remove the stems and seeds if you prefer a milder sauce, or leave them in for extra heat. Next, sauté the chopped peppers and garlic in a saucepan for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, add the vinegar and salt, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer for 10 minutes. This step helps meld the flavors beautifully. Once your pepper mixture has simmered and cooled slightly, it's time to blend. Carefully pour everything into a blender. Blend on high until the sauce is completely smooth, which usually takes about 1 minute. For an extra smooth consistency, strain the blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract all the liquid. This step ensures a silky, restaurant-quality hot sauce. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious homemade hot sauce. Pour the cooled sauce into clean, sterilized bottles. You can use small swing-top bottles or any airtight container. Store your hot sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 months. It's perfect for adding a kick to tacos, eggs, or anything that needs a little spice. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.